Advanced features of Microsoft Word 2010. Finding the text. When you are working with longer documents, it can be difficult and time-consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. Word can automatically search your document using the Find feature, and it even allows you to change words or phrases using Replace. To find text, follow the steps given below. From the Home tab, click the Find button. The navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Type the text you wish to find in the field at the top of the navigation pane. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow, and a preview will appear in the navigation pane. If the text appears more than once, you can click the arrows on the navigation pane to step through the results. You can also click the results previews on the navigation pane to jump to the location of a result in your document. When you close the navigation pane, the highlighting will disappear. Replacing the text. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. To replace the text, follow the steps given below. From the Home tab, click the Replace command. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Type the text you want to find in the Find What field. Type the text you want to replace it within the Replace With field. Click Find Next and then Replace to replace text. You can also click Replace All to replace all instances within the document. Working with shapes. You can add a variety of shapes to your document, including arrows, callouts, squares, stars, and flowchart shapes. To insert a shape, follow the steps given below. Select the Insert tab. Click the Shapes command. Select a shape from the drop-down menu. See, we have selected the smiley face from the Basic Shapes category. Click and drag the mouse until the shape is in the desired size. Release the mouse button. To display more styles options, click on the More drop-down menu and choose any visual style for the shape or line. Placing text in shapes. You can add text in a shape and make it as the part of the shape. Follow the steps to add text in a shape. Select the desired shape and right-click. Select the Add Text option from the shortcut menu. The cursor appears on the object. Now type the text. Using drawing tools. The drawing toolbar contains various options to format shapes. Inserting word art. Word art is a quick way to make text stand out with special effects. You begin by picking a word art style from the Word Art gallery on the Insert tab and then customize the text as you wish. Click where you want to insert decorative text in a document. On the Insert tab, in the Text group, click Word Art. Click any word art style and start to type. Inserting clip art. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Follow the steps for inserting the clip art. Put the cursor where you wish to insert a picture. Click on Clip Art button on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group. Clip Art pane appears to the right of the document. Type keyword in the Search for text box that is related to the image you wish to insert, for example mouse, and click on the Go button. Now it will display the clip art images related to the mouse. View the various clip art images using the vertical scroll bar and click on the desired clip art image to insert it in the document. After inserting the image, close the clip art task pane by clicking on the Close button. Adding watermark. Watermark is a background picture or text used on documents used for multiple purposes. Types of watermarks. Microsoft Word allows you to add different types and ways of watermarks in your documents. Select from Watermarks template. Create your custom watermark. Picture as watermark. Text as watermark. Open the documents in which you wish to add a watermark. Select the Page Layout tab and click on the Watermark drop-down menu in the Page Background group. Select the Custom Watermark option. The Printed Watermark dialog box appears. You will notice that no watermark is selected by default. Select the Text Watermark option. Choose the language from the Language drop-down menu. Select the font size, style, color, and layout of the font. Type the text that you wish to appear as watermark in the text box. Click on the Apply button to check the preview of the selected watermark on the page. If you feel satisfied with the watermark, then click on the Close button to close the dialog box. Inserting a picture watermark. Select Picture Watermark Radio button from the printed watermark and then click on the Select Picture button. Word will offer you multiple options for choosing the picture like below. Click on From a File option and choose the picture from your computer. You can change the size of the picture by choosing the required percentage option from the Scale drop-down. By default, Word will apply washout effect for the picture watermark. However, you can remove the effect by disabling the washout checkbox. Click Apply and Close buttons to insert the picture watermark on the document. Applying border and shading. To enhance the appearance of the text in a paragraph, you can quickly add a border and shading to selected text. When you add a border, you can specify what sides you want to include or exclude. If you want to customize borders and shading by changing line style, color, and width preferences, you can make changes in the Borders and Shading dialog box. Select the paragraph text. Click the drop-down arrow near the bottom border symbol button in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. Select the Borders and Shading option from Appeared list. The Borders and Shading dialog box will be displayed as shown in figure. Select the border style. Select the box option in the Settings section. Select the line style under the Style list box. Click on the drop-down list of color option. Select any color. Choose the line width from the Width section. Click on the drop-down list of Apply to section and select the paragraph option. Click on OK and observe the change. Inserting cover page. Microsoft Word offers a gallery of convenient pre-designed cover pages. Choose a cover page and replace the sample text with your own. On the Insert tab in the Pages group, click Cover Page. Click a cover page layout from the gallery of options. Selected cover page will be applied to the document. After you insert a cover page, you can replace the sample text with your own text by clicking to select an area of the cover page, such as the title, and typing your text.